Hey. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a little decluttering of my laundry room. My laundry room is a room where you kind of walk in from my back door. It's kind of like our little drop-off area where we just kind of take off our coats and drop off our keys and any extra mail. So it gets kind of messy. So in today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and declutter everything. I'll take you guys on a little journey with me, and I'm gonna go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so I'm going to start off by taking everything out of the drawers and grouping it into sections. I've started placing my masks in the first basket, and in the second basket I'm going to start a stationery area where I'm going to have some pens and notepads. In the smaller container here, I'm putting in small loose parts like batteries. I have extra lids in there. And I have a ton of random stuff in here. Like I said, this is our laundry room where we just drop everything off, and I just kind of wanted everything to have its own section, its own little home. So this is my first time making a video like this, and I guess this would be the best part to introduce myself. My name is Claudia. I'm 25 years old. I live in the middle of nowhere, Kansas. I'm married. I have a daughter and one dog. His name is Dino. This is where he sleeps. So I have his bed set up here, and I do laundry here occasionally. And we use this room a lot as like a mud room where we just store a lot of our back stock. As you can see here, I have a lot of extra of my cleaning supplies. I don't know why, I've always enjoyed cleaning, I've always enjoyed reorganizing, I've always enjoyed cleaning and reorganizing videos on YouTube, so I've always wanted to make my own, and here I am. So if you like this kind of content, let me know down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. I'm so excited for this journey, and I would love for you to be part of it. So I'm just going to go through and spray everything and wipe everything down. Get everything nice and shiny and clean. And then I'm going to show you guys some before and after, so stay tuned. So I took this opportunity to go ahead and wipe down my washer and dryer. I also took some time to wipe down my door. So now I'm going to take my Swiffer and dust everything. I'm going to sweep, and then I'll show you guys these before and afters. So down here I have a toolbox, extra set of towels. I also keep some extra dog food. I have some extra wall decor that I've been meaning to hang up, and then I also have some mosquito repellent that we're not using at this time. And then I just keep trash bags in here. So over here I just keep some extra back stock. I keep rubbing alcohol, hydrogen peroxide, Dawn dish soap, and a lint roller. And on this side I have my cleaning caddy, extra cleaning gloves, really easy to just grab and go. And up here I have some Swiffer dusters, I have some extra spare keys, and I also have some dry refills and some trash bags. And up here I have carpet cleaner, Lysol, just extra stuff that I don't want my daughter getting into. And then I have my floor cleaning supplies up here. And over here I just keep extra vinegar, laundry detergent. I keep my baking soda up here. I also have some tape, masking tape, duct tape, and some extra light bulbs up there in the corner. In here, I just put my keys, some chapstick, a tire pressure reader. I have a Sharpie and some charging ports. Back there, I have some extra batteries and extra caps. Here, I put all the masks of different varieties. I'm really happy how that turned out. In here, I just put some stationery equipment, labels, notepad, pens, pencils, markers, scissors. In here, I just put miscellaneous equipment, iPads, extra tools. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.